Let me show you how to make the most refreshing sweet rice wine right in your own kitchen. Start by rinsing freshly cooked glutinous rice in cool water. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and helps achieve that perfect separate grain texture. Draining thoroughly is crucial. You want moist but not wet rice for ideal fermentation. The key ingredient is rice wine starter. For 3 pounds of uncooked rice, use exactly 6 grams of sweet yeast balls. Crush them into powder and mix evenly through the rice with clean hands. This precise distribution ensures consistent fermentation throughout. Here is the critical part. Absolutely no oil or salt can touch anything. Every utensil, container, and surface must be meticulously clean. Press the rice gently into your container, then create a small well in the center using a sterilized bottle. This wine pocket lets you monitor the liquid production. Cover with breathable plastic wrap, poking a few holes for air circulation in summer heat. Within just 1 day, you will see that magical transformation. The well fills nearly to the top with clear, fragrant liquid. This traditional method creates a lightly fermented drink that is perfect for summer. Now for secondary fermentation, add cool water at a ratio of half kilogram per kilogram of original rice. 5 more hours of patience rewards you with the perfect lightly alcoholic, subtly sweet rice wine. The first sip delivers pure summer in a glass. Slightly sweet, mildly effervescent with that distinctive fermented rice aroma. This is not just a drink, it is a living tradition you can make yourself.